Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to change your wallpaper on a Mac. Let's jump right in. Click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, then choose System Settings. In the sidebar, scroll down and select Wallpaper. Here you'll see Apple's default wallpapers, dynamic wallpapers that change with time of day, and solid colors. Just click on one, and it'll instantly set as your background. If you want to use your own photo, click the Add Folder option, then choose a folder from your files, for example, your Pictures folder. Now you can select any image from there as your wallpaper. You can also adjust how the picture fits: fill screen, fit to screen, stretch, or center. Pick whichever looks best for your setup. And that's it! That's how easy it is to change your wallpaper on a Mac in 2025. If this quick guide helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips here on 1 Minute IT Shot. Thanks for watching.